Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a few watch faces that are free that I thought you might want to take a look at. Now this particular one right here is not interactive, but it is a nice looking watch face, so let's go ahead, let's take a look at it. First off, in always on mode, you're going to get a traditional analog watch face look. When the watch face is on, you got two dials and they overlay one another. It's not a bad look at all. This is by Tina Dial. Now Tina's name is in the center of the watch analog, and your seconds are right there. It's not a bad look at all. And then you have the dates that links the two together. I thought it was a nice, let's say super casual, and you might be able to get away with dressing up with this watch face. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. And let's check out watch face number two. Now number two is called SB11 Sports. It's a digital watch face, not bad looking, it's interactive. And in the always on mode, you're gonna get digital time and your step status, which I thought was pretty cool. When the watch face is on, you got a little arrow at the top of the watch that's going around the bezel. That's your second hand right there. You come down, you get your heart rate, your month, and your date. You also get digital time dead center. Down at the bottom, you're gonna get your step status, floors climbed, calories burned, steps, things of that nature. And you get shortcuts that's going around the bezel of the watch, things like weather, find my phone, and it is interactive. So if you tap on it, you can go into it. The steps are interactive as well, and so is, you type the digital time, you can set an alarm. If you tap precise on the date, you can bring up your calendar. Considering that it was free, I thought this wasn't a bad look. Last but not least, number three. Now number three is called Iris 21 12 hours. Nice looking watch face, it's digital, and it is interactive. Now in always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look. It's just gonna take away all the lines. Not a bad look at all. Now when the watch face is on, you get Wednesday, which is the day. Get your month and your date as well. Get digital time in big bold numbers. Not a bad look at all. Come down to the bottom, you got all your step status you can ever need. And if you look to the right, you're able to get your music, and that's interactive as well. So I thought this was definitely a good look. And if I tap on the date, I can get my calendar. So I'm thinking this is worthy of a download, considering that it's free if you want something different. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.